what I would suggest for anybody. Well, let's be specific here for money bags. I want you looking at these markets because these markets, once they get going, it's gonna test down to here. If now there are some support areas, but we need this market needs a retest, and this isn't it. It's only part way with this. So in my opinion, always have a small stop. So so I'd say if you got in here at the 2 bar reversal, it might be in after hours, but you can still trade it. If you have interactive broker, you can trade it, and she does. So and you keep your stop up here, give it a chance. Another place we could go to is right to here. That's a lot more points. You may decide you're going to scale it or trade it down to here where it had support and went higher. Now you have a much bigger this is a great trade. This is, you multiply that by $50 a point. That's a good trade, and it's a scalp. And also, it could get to here. And so you have to decide when you want to take your money. It could easily get to here. These are big trades. It just makes a big difference. And just keep, just this is the beginning of a potential reversal pattern of a 2 bar reversal on an overbought market that looks like it might go lower. We talked about this. I think I did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did, and I did talk about it because I'm having a senior moment here. Let's do this. This is a 2 bar reversal lower. I encouraged someone, cough, cough, money bags to look at this market. It did a move like this. This market is trading to the patterns. That's a 2 bar reversal, and it came back to support, and then it bounced off the support. And you have to know what these numbers are to know how important it is. It's dependent on your range boxes and the number of moves higher. And I don't know what it is for copper, but if you have to know what the x-axis does for you when the market moves up and down. But it's copper is trading to these patterns, the ABC, the measured moves, period. And when it came down here, it came to the support resistance area of these 2 range boxes here. This is where you would expect it to go if it went lower. And then you look to see if the market's going to go lower to the lower range box. In that case, you'd stay with this and let it move lower. Or it's going to reverse here and come back and retest this area, which is the upper part of the range box. You have to make some decisions.